Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking around an install that we've just carried out on a brand new VW Caddy owned by Artisan Electrics and the team. Today's video, we're talking about the new roof rack system that we've installed, but also security upgrades that we've added. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So the team at Artisan Electrics not only are good friends of ours, but also we've been doing work for them for a while now. So we actually did a full van racking system on Jordan's original Ford Transit, which actually had a full YouTube video on Artisan Electrics channel as well. So not only you need to subscribe to our channel, guys, but also please head over to the Artisan Electrics channel and make sure you subscribe to them. They are a massively growing channel. It's phenomenal what they do, and Jordan has worked so hard, and so has his team, to get to where they are today. So they've just purchased a new vehicle and now he's back in with us to add some security features, but also the brand new Rhino roof rack system. So this is what's called a 3-bar delta system. As you can see, you've got the Rhino roof bars going across the actual top of the vehicle here. These are obviously installed as we're in Rhino Approved Installer 2 manufacturer standards. Really, really nice solution. They're fully bolted down to the vehicle. Plus they've got the curvature here that on all 3 that go across. That helps with wind noise and actually airflow going through over the bars. They are basically to house not only a ladder that normally will sit across the top, but also these actual pipe tubes that we've got at the top. So they've got lockable cases on either end, plus you can fully take a pipe tube all the way through and seal both ends, which is really nice. A lot of pipe tubes on the market, they're closed at one end sometimes. These are fully openable on both sides, so a really, really nice way to add functionality, but also look really smart as well. Obviously, as you can see, these don't normally come in this blue with the sign writing. However, obviously with it being more additional space on the side of the vehicle, why not sign right? That's exactly what Jordan and the team at Artisan Electrics have done. So that's a really, really nice solution. They really look really smart when they're color coded with the branding on the actual vehicle itself. However, one thing that we also need to be talking about, guys, is security. Jordan and the team at Artisan Electrics know about security, and they are kind of forward thinkers in the industry, and that's why they've been coming to us for many, many years now and actually speccing systems with security upgrades, because on any vehicle, you don't want any of your tools stolen. You don't want your car broken into. Whatever car it is, whether you've got tools in the back or not, it's irrelevant. You want to be protecting your vehicle, making sure thieves don't get your stuff. You work hard for it. You don't want them taking it. So, visual deterrent, what have we done? We've actually installed something called a Thatcham Approved Deadlock. It's a hook lock system that one goes on the back door, one goes on the side door on the other side. But a really, really nice solution there. Again, installed to Thatcham regulations and installed to the highest possible standards again. So they're a Thatcham deadlock system. You get a couple of keys with that as well, and they're all the same keys, so you've got some spares as well, but you manually deadlock once you've actually locked the vehicle from the factory key. So that's a nice visual deterrent. However, if someone gets past the Thatcham Approved Deadlock, what we've got is a new alarm system. So we've upgraded the VW system with something called a Hurricane 360. It's actually a specific kit designed by myself. In essence, basically, you've got one siren that goes in the front of the vehicle, and then you've got 2 sirens in the back of the vehicle. It is extremely loud. Plus, you've also got sensors in the front of the vehicle, plus the back of the van. So the vehicle is fully protected, guys. It's very, very important that you keep your tools safe and also your vehicle safe. So you've got visual deterrent, plus then you've got your alarm system, which is a hell of a noise that it makes. Plus, it all works from your factory key, so there's no additional fobs. You literally use the vehicle as you would. However, you know when you press that lock button, your vehicle is protected. So overall, a really, really nice solution, guys. So if you are interested in something like this, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through everything in a bit more detail. But also, please don't forget, guys, to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also to the team at Artisan Electrics. They do some fantastic videos for full van racking tours of the one that we did on the Ford Transit, but also some really, really cool electrical work. So their team are phenomenal, and we're really proud to be working with and alongside Artisan Electrics yet again for another year. So thank you very much for watching, guys. We look forward to seeing you soon.